That's the first 6 for Rohit Sharma.
That's beautifully bowled. It's the perfect length, and they reviewed it.
Yeah, I've got conclusive evidence, so I'm going to get Richard to reverse your decision from not out to out.
Well, Rohit Sharma and KL Rahul cannot believe it. They've thrown their head in the air.
Well done. This is absolutely brilliant.
There will be runs, and runs in style against Jason Holder. It's a lovely shot from KL Rahul, wristy but down the ground. Now then, he's gone through. He's not going to get the 50, but 48's a decent contribution. Jason Holder caps off a good spell with a wicket.
Top edge. Well, that finds the fence. It's a good delivery to Virat Kohli. Outside edge, and he strikes. A very good delivery to Vijay Shankar. And a much-needed breakthrough for the West Indies.
Well, we get the 50 now. His fourth 50 in a row, fourth World Cup 50 in a row. Oh, well bowled, well bowled. They're all bowled into peel straight away. They are reviewing.
Richard, I've got conclusive evidence that the ball has hit the bat. Going to get you to reverse your decision.
India 140 for 4 now in a spot of bother with Kedar Jadhav gone for 7.
Oh, he's found the fielder. Jason Holder's got a wicket. It was almost a long hop.
So he does hit it over mid-off, serve. Hits it well.
This time over covers. Does he get to the deep point fielder? Yes, it does. It's an easy catch. An appeal will be, yes, Mohammad Shami walks. Another wicket for Cottrell, another wicket for the West Indies.
That's hit very well by MS Dhoni. It's a half century for MS Dhoni. No, he goes short. Why would you go short when the Yorker has been working so well, O'Shane Thomas? India finish at 268 for 7. So the West Indies will need 269 from their 50 overs.
He pulls it this time. And it goes to mid-on. The pace does him at the end.
Oh, the first genuinely authoritative shot. Really went off the bat well. First boundary, Shea Hope. Oh, knocks him over. What a bowler this Mohammad Shami is.
Good dive, but can't make it.
First boundary for Sunil Ambris.
Make every run count. That's a terrific shot. He's found the gap as well. Inside edge. The finger has been raised. The batsman seems keen to walk. Not keen to walk, but showing signs of wanting to walk. Rahul is quick, but is he quick enough? No, he isn't.
3 wickets down already. It's gone a long way up, but not far enough, I don't think. Easily taken. Did I say 3 wickets down? Make it 4.
And straight into the hands of covers. Another soft dismissal. Outside edge. And that's what Virat Kohli wanted. A good catch by MS Dhoni. He hasn't had a great day behind the stumps. But the experienced campaigner hangs on to this one. An appeal. Yes, he does again. When the ball gets old, bring back Jasprit Bumrah.
Oh, taken. Just a bit of room. Shimron Hetmaya. Oh, there he goes again. He's got loads of bat on this. Oh, how number 10 would enjoy that shot. Now that'll be out there. It's a game of chess, isn't it? Something Chahal was very good at when he was a child. Now, what's that gone off there? He's claiming it. He's claiming it. There's a review left.
Richard got conclusive evidence that the ball has come off the glove. Going to get you to reverse your decision from not out to out.
India march on unbeaten. They've hammered West Indies here at Old Trafford.